Dolzine.com here. I'm doing a video replacing the outside driver's side handlebar on a 2005 Chevy Equinox. It pulled off and it broke, and that's the one end here, and then this end there should be another thing which broke off on mine, which is why the handle's not catching. There's only one lock on this, so there's not one on the passenger side, so you can't use that to unlock your car, and there's no key fob, so I was locked out of my car and had to break in because the damn handle broke. So to fix this is pretty easy. There's a cap right here that I pulled off, and then inside there's a screw hole. That's a 25 torque screw that you gotta unscrew. And the main thing about this is do not drop this screw in the door. You're gonna have to find a new one or take the door apart to get it. So be very careful unscrewing this screw. That screw holds on. Sorry, moving the camera a little bit. The locking piece. So then you're gonna have to pull off the locking piece that goes right here. So then, after you have the locking piece off, you can slide in the new handle, which I got black instead of gray, which I did not know. So then, make sure then you'll slide this forward to catch it, and it'll lock in there. And then you got to kind of pull the handle to get the lock cover back on, and then screw back in that torque bolt, being careful not to drop it. So it's pretty straightforward. The new door handle was about 10 bucks. Make sure you buy the right door handle, but it's a pretty easy fix. Just be careful, don't drop that screw, which I'm going to put the phone down and screw that in because I don't want to drop it. Alright, Dolzine.com.